In this video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Nuwave Brio and the Instant Vortex Plus. We'll be evaluating them based on their features, functionalities, and performance. So let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Both air fryers have unique functionalities. The Nuwave Brio comes with 100 pre-programmed menu presets and the ability to make adjustments on the fly, while the Instant Vortex Plus has 6-in-1 functionality and one-touch smart programs. However, the Instant Vortex Plus is the winner here with its advanced Even Crisp technology that delivers perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results each time with even airflow. The Nuwave Brio is priced at $99, whereas the Instant Vortex Plus is priced at $159. While the Nuwave Brio is more affordable, the Instant Vortex Plus has more advanced features and technology that justifies the price difference. Therefore, we'll leave it up to you to decide which one is better value for money. Both air fryers have a compact design that can easily fit on your countertop. However, the Instant Vortex Plus has a more modern look with its stainless steel accents that make it a great addition to any modern kitchen. Therefore, the winner here is the Instant Vortex Plus. Both air fryers have non-stick and dishwasher-safe components, making them easy to clean. Therefore, it's a tie in this category. Both air fryers are energy efficient and use up to 60% less energy than traditional electric ovens. However, the Instant Vortex Plus mentions this feature in its product description, so it gets the edge in this category. That's it for our comparison of the Nuwave Brio and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryers. Ultimately, both air fryers have their unique set of features at different price points. So it's best to evaluate which one caters to your needs and preferences. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons.